Hi everyone, my name is Katie Bacher and I am your student's honors chemistry teacher. Unfortunately, I won't be able to attend open house this year, so I wanted to give you an opportunity to kind of get a peek into our class and see what I would have shared if we were able to be in person. So a little bit about me. This is my 14th year here at LHS. Prior to LHS, I did Teacher America for 2 years out in rural North Carolina. Very different from Libertyville, but it was an awesome experience for me. I also have my undergrad and graduate degrees from U of I. A little bit about my family. So I have 2 sons, Lucas and Harrison. We all love to go fishing. If any of you have been to Independence Grove, I actually caught that northern at Independence Grove a couple years ago, and I missed a muskie that was even bigger than the northern. So we've got some awesome fishing really close by. We also like to go for muskie out on the chain or in Canada, and sometimes in Green Bay. One thing that I really like to focus on in class is this idea and importance around collaboration and communication. So I know sometimes that isn't everyone's strength, but we do a lot of activities to help the students understand that each student has a different background, a different knowledge set, and by combining those backgrounds and knowledge sets together, we get a much better end product. This is my schedule for the semester. I only have my lunch free during the day, so the best time for students to connect with me is before school. I'm here super early. They're welcome to show up anytime after 8. If they know they're going to be here at like 8 o'clock or 8:15, have them send me an email the night before just so I can make sure I'm in the classroom and not running around making copies. If they're not able to connect with me before school, we have science teachers available every period in the workshop, so that's another resource for them to go as well. I'm going to go ahead and walk through the course syllabus a little bit. I linked that in the s'more for you. The big thing from here is just making sure you have my email address. Even though we have phone numbers, they go straight to voicemail. So if you leave me a voicemail, I have to go to my computer, I have to find a time to listen to that voicemail, and then find a time to connect that way. Where if you even wanted me to just call you back, sending me a quick email saying like, hey, Mrs. Bacher, please call me back at this number after this time, it'll be a lot easier for me to see that and respond. Here's a quick course description. We do use our Chromebooks quite a bit, and your students will need a calculator. I'm going to go ahead and go back to my slides to share the grade breakdown. So the course breakdown for the grading, 70% are going to be summatives, which are our unit tests. 25% of their grade will come from labs, and then 5% will come from coursework. We will have a final exam that'll be worth 20% of their overall grade. For our summatives, students are allowed to reassess on each unit test one time. The window they have to do that is a month from that initial administration, and it replaces the original score. So if they got a 65% the first time around and then they get an 85%, the 85% is what goes in the gradebook. But if they got a 65% the first time around and they get a 60 the second time around, the 60 still does go into the gradebook. There are steps to qualify for the reassessment, and really that's just filling out the Google form in Google Classroom. They can meet with me, they can go to the workshop for extra help, but really all they have to do is fill out that Google form in Google Classroom, and that will prompt the reassessment process on my end. Again, I'm very excited to have these students in class this year, and I know we're going to do a lot of really fun, exciting labs. If you've got any questions, please feel free to send me an email, and I look forward to hearing from you.